Hey guys, Gemini Jets 46 here, coming at you guys with another video. And today it'll be a video of a new airplane. This airplane is actually really rare. Well, it's like $60 on eBay. It is a Southwest 737-800, which is perfect for DIA because they got a lot of those, and I don't. So let's get straight into this unboxing. At first, I was like, oh, maybe this is something my dad ordered, but it says 737-800 on the outside of the box, so, you know, pretty sure it's not what you use an X-Acto knife for, so let me get my box cutter, because, I mean, it's like in the name, box cutter. Okay. So once again, that airport update will probably be coming out mid-November, maybe as late as December, because painting it will be a pain in the butt. This is just packed with some old newspaper. I'm pretty sure he said this was brand new. Wasn't really looking at it. I was just like, oh, sweet. Good deal. So that's how he packaged it. Came from Colorado Springs. It's perfect because I live in Colorado, so, ow. Okay, so here's the box. I accidentally started opening it. We have Gemini Jets made for collectors by collectors. Southwest 737-800, Southwest Airlines, Boeing 737-800, Gemini Jets. So they have the white box because it's a limited edition. Yeah, this is new. Alright, good deal. Okay, take off the top cover, and there it is. Nice, gorgeous model. No paint chips, no nothing. Alright, let's get that aside. This was my fourth model, by the way. So I got two Frontiers, this one and a United. So. Alright, this is a little more pointier. I'm actually using this wood for my airport, so I'm not going to destroy it. We have the nose cone, the cockpit windows, Heart 1, L1 boarding door. I already did a review on this, but, oh well, I'm watching it again. First landing gear, Southwest emblem, the engines, the flaps, the 4 overwing exits, the first antenna, mid-size. The winglets are over here, flaps, Southwest.com on the engine, Wi-Fi box, second antenna. My registration is N8642E. Then we have the new and improved tail. Well, that's not that new, but yeah. And then if we flip it over, there's the bottom. So yeah, just a little quick review. As I said, I've already done this. Little news on the giveaway and the airport, I guess. So no new, let's see. So yeah, so we're gonna get Sky High Guys to 250 subscribers and me to 1K by December. And if we can reach that goal, we'll be doing a giveaway. We're not quite sure yet. I say we, I mean me. It is pretty hard because I'm also doing my new airport. Over here, these are all the airplanes I have to go that fly to DIA or in my airport. And then those are all the LAX models I'll probably put in boxes at some point of my life. Obviously, the palm trees won't be there because we don't have palm trees in Denver, unfortunately. If we head over to this end of the table, here we have the main terminal. You know, this is as best as I could do. Terminal A right there, the bridge that connects from this terminal to this one. So, yeah, I'll glue it on. That is the center part of DIA if you've ever been to DIA. And then these are the two terminals that branch off. We'll go more detailed after I paint it and everything, but until then, this is how it'll be on my terminal. So, yeah, thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for that next airport update of DIA. It will be a super cool airport. I'm not quite sure how or if I'm able to put lights in, but I will, almost fell over. I will try my best. So yeah, please like, comment, and subscribe for more airport update content. And I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. Have a good rest of your day, and I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.